Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very different video in mind. I want to do a declutter of all of my clothing. So I just want to go through everything, pick out what I haven't been using, what I don't need, and what is past retirement, and just get rid of them. And I figured I would take you guys along and show you the things I want to get rid of. And basically the way I do it is I look at what I've worn in the past year or two. So basically if I have my winter stuff and if there are things that I didn't wear in the past winter or the winter before it, then it's safe to say I don't like it, I need to get rid of it. So forth with summer, spring, and fall. Also things that are just not really in good shape anymore. So let's just go ahead and get started with the video. I think I'm going to start with my closet stuff first. These pants, I honestly just wear them for interviews. So I think I'm gonna keep them for that sake. Same with this shirt. This is like a shirt that I wear for interviews, so I'm gonna leave that. This plaid shirt actually doesn't fit me that well, and I usually just wear it around my waist when I'm wearing shorts. But honestly, if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna buy a plaid shirt that actually fits. So we're gonna get rid of this. I do like this skirt. It's a maxi skirt. I feel like the last time I wore it, it wasn't long enough, but I can't remember. I could try it on, but I think I'm gonna leave it. Trench coat, keeping. Leather coat, keeping. I don't know what to do with this dress. Honestly, like, I have it, and I haven't worn it because I bought it for a job, and then it turns out I need it. It's also very tight, but like, it hasn't been used very much, which is why I don't want to give it away. Maybe I'll see if somebody else wants it, and then they can have it. This dress I really love. You guys have seen it a few times on my channel. Keeping. This one I just got. Also keeping. This dress I actually have worn it a few times. I do like it, so I'm gonna keep that. This one, I don't know. I don't know if I should keep it just because it is a little bit short. I don't know. I'll think about it. This is awful. I'm not doing a very good job. Okay. I'm keeping this dress because I just got it. This dress again is like good for interviews. It's just a simple A-line dress. This one is like a clubbing dress, so it's very tight. I really don't wear this one. I'm gonna get rid of you for sure. I'm going to think about you, so I'm gonna put you over here. This dress I just got, I really love this dress. It's just like a simple t-shirt dress. Keeping. This one I wear a lot too. This is a strapless striped dress, like that one. Keeping. Just got this one as well. And all my clothes are inside out. But basically, it's just like a long dress, but it has buttons going all the way down. I really like it. Keeping. This is my beach dress. Keeping you. I love the beach. This dress is another t-shirt dress, but this one has a cinched waist. Really like it. You like how all my clothes are inside out? This dress I don't wear as often outside, but I still like it a lot as a house dress. So we're gonna keep it, but we're gonna put it in the pajama drawer. Keeping. Nice floral dress. These white dresses, I really like them. They're kind of on the short side, so I should part with them, but I really want to get another white dress before I part with them. And like, I wear this one a lot with this sweater because the sweater is longer than the dress. I don't know. Why is this so hard? I don't know. I think I should like part ways with at least this one. It's just too short. Just got this cardigan as well. I really like this one. It's just like a simple, basic white cardigan. My sweatshirts I wear all the time, especially if we're going to work. This sweater I got not too long ago. I really love the sleeve detail. So you're saying this one I also just got. It was on sale. I got it for like $9, and I really like it. It's a cool color. I love this shirt. You know I love this shirt because I've literally fixed the hole in the sleeve twice because I like it. I also want to keep this one because it's like a really pretty color. Keeping this sweater because it's super comfy and it fits perfectly. This one I'm gonna get rid of because I don't really wear it that often. And this one I'm also gonna get rid of. It's very thin, and again, just don't wear it enough to justify keeping it. This shirt is really cool, and I don't wear it enough. So I'm gonna actually wear you more. This one's super comfy. My mom gave this to me for Christmas, so I'm gonna keep this one. Sure, I wear literally all the time. It's like a baseball tee with black sleeves and a gray middle. Keeping. Simple gray long sleeve shirt. It looks super shapeless right now, and it kind of is shapeless, but I like it. Another gray long sleeve shirt, also keeping. This red shirt, I feel like there's a stain on it. Let me see if there's a stain on it. This shirt does have the faintest stain on it right here, so I'm gonna let it go. What I really do like a lot, it's just like a cold shoulder shirt, and I really like it, so I'm gonna keep that one as well. This is my jean shirt. I really love wearing this one, so you can stay. I actually really like this shirt. I feel like I'm in the 70s every time I wear it. It has like really cool bell sleeves. Not great for eating in, but I still love it. You're staying. This shirt I wear all the time as well. Another baseball tee. Really cool with like these mesh panels. I really like this shirt. I've had it for a long time, but I still wear it, so I'm gonna keep it. This shirt, on the other hand, I don't know what to do with it because like this part's broken, but maybe I can get this, like, find a different string to put through it, and I'm gonna try to fix it. The shirt, I really like it. It's like a blouse, so I wear it for more dressy occasions. I haven't worn it in a while, but I don't want to give it away because I don't have many long sleeve white shirts. As you can tell, I like a lot of off the shoulder shirts. And I really like this one too because it's like nice lace detail. Okay, so we're done with the closet part. Now we're going to move to the drawers. In my first unfolded drawer is where I keep tank tops, shorts, and activewear. These shorts I actually do wear fairly often. I am thinking of getting new shorts, but these ones fit pretty well, so I'm going to keep them until I can find shorts that I like better. These ones as well fit very well, so I'll keep these until I buy new shorts. These shorts fit fairly well too. They're really short, but again, these are my only 3 pairs of shorts, so I'm gonna keep all of them. Next, I have this crop top, and I really like crop tops, but I don't really know if I still want to wear them, so I'm gonna wait till summer and then see how I feel about them. Here's another shirt. I feel like this shirt really isn't my style anymore, but I think it might look good with like a sketty strap dress underneath, so I'm gonna keep it, and worst case scenario, I'll just use it as a house shirt. Next, I have this shirt, and this shirt I definitely don't wear. Plus, you have to wear an undershirt with it because it's very sheer without it, and I don't want any shirts like that for the summer because it's just too hot. Then we got a basic gray t-shirt. Honestly, I never wear this t-shirt because it's super tight, but I just got a new gray t-shirt, the one I'm wearing, so I think I can like part ways with this one. All of my activewear I'm pretty much going to keep because they'll fit fine. This one I honestly stopped wearing because it says love is a battle on it, and every time I'd wear this shirt, somebody random would make a comment. They'd be like, "You're so right, love is a battle, you know it." And I was like, I'm done. I don't want people talking to me. I don't want to wear it anymore. You gotta stay in the drawer. Which honestly, I don't even wear it that much, so I think I'm gonna give it away. I'm probably gonna give away this cropped shirt too because I don't really think I want to wear like a cropped shirt with graphics on it, and I don't really see myself wearing it at home because I like wearing longer shirts when I'm at home. This tank top is super old, but honestly I love it as a house shirt, so I'm keeping that. Again, another tank top. Has a big heart in the middle, but it's a great house top, and I actually do wear it, so I'm gonna keep it. This is just a plain white tank top. I feel like everybody needs a plain white tank top, so we'll keep that. Another crop top, which we'll see if I even feel like wearing those by the time it's summer, or if I want to do something different. I have a couple more of them, so I'll just show you all. So I have that one in beige, I have one in green, and one that is pink. I have another oversized t-shirt. This one's blue, it's a little sheer, but I love this t-shirt, I wear it a lot, so I'm gonna keep that, of course. Another house top. It's just a tank top, but I love wearing it around the house, so I'm gonna keep it. This is like a A-line black simple skirt, and I actually like having a black simple skirt. This one's a little tight, but still fits, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep that. Black tank top, again, just another good staple to have, so I'm gonna keep that. I have 2 white tank tops, and I don't know which one is newer. Okay, well I guess we'll just keep both then. I feel like we did really well in that drawer. Okay, so let's just move on to the last drawer. The top drawer I just keep my underwear in, so we're not going to declutter that. I can do that on my own time. The last drawer I keep pants and pajamas in. These are basic black leggings, which honestly I would get rid of because they don't fit very well. But I only have 2 pairs of leggings that fit me really well, and I wear leggings all the time, so I'm just going to keep these until I can buy some new ones to replace them. I wear these green jeans all the time. They're more like jeggings, but they're super wrinkly right now. And the last pair of pants I have are these white ones, just some standard white jeans. Again, really like having a pair of white jeans as well. So I'm gonna keep these. Oh, I lied. I have one more pair of pants, which are these purple ones. And at the time I thought they were super cool. Purple pants. But I honestly just don't really wear them very often, so I'm gonna part ways. As far as pajamas go, I actually did declutter them not too long ago, so all the pajamas that I have, I'm just gonna keep. I think we're pretty much done decluttering. I'm gonna lay everything on the bed and I'll give you guys one final look and then we'll be done for the day. Okay, so here is everything laid out on the bed. I did end up deciding to give away the red dress that was too short. So basically we have that, we have one of the crop tops, we have the purple jeans, we have that one white dress, the purple sweater, the blue shorts, the other crop top, a blue dress that's super tight, the pink tank top, the white and black plaid shirt, the blue sweater, and the red blouse. So I actually think I did a pretty good job. I got rid of more than I thought I would. I really want to make room in my wardrobe this summer for new pieces that have a really great quality to them so that I'm not going through clothes so quickly. Like I go through my leggings every single year. I have to throw my leggings out and get new ones because they got holes or something. So I want clothes that last me longer. I'm actually not very colorful. I mostly like wearing black, gray, and white. So I think maybe some more of that. But then like some statement pieces to go with them. But yeah guys, that's the end of this decluttering video. If you like fashion videos, definitely let me know and I can definitely do more. I don't really think I have the greatest style. As of right now, it's very simple, but I don't know, if you guys are interested at all, let me know and I can definitely do more for you in the future. And until next time guys, bye!